Alright y'all, we're back today. We're going to be putting on this N2MB WOT box on the Crown Vic. I don't know if it's ever been done. You think?
I don't think it is.
It might not have. It may have. Someone that's manual swap one may have done it. I don't know. But
if not, here's our how-to video.
yeah, I guess if we're going to do a how-to video. We ain't really planned anything on this, but we're just going to do it. Right now we're hunting down a wire to tap into our cool pack control. Other than that, you got to do what? TPS, clutch signal. You said you got to do crank on this, and a ground.
Yep.
Is that it?
Yep.
I guess.
If it doesn't work, none of y'all see this.
So before I go rambling on telling y'all what is what and what is not, we're actually going to try and figure this out first, and then I can walk y'all back through this and give you actual proper instructions on how to do this if we're successful.
Yeah, something like that. Should be.
Then we'll try it out. Should be able to get some cool pops and flames out the exhaust, build some boost on launches, and be able to no lift.
For that.
What, the same wire from that fuse?
Runs right over here, so that's it.
So we just put the two wires on that one.
I guess technically that would work.
Yeah.
Hey, what's it gonna do? Fuck up. That's what it is.
Well, I mean, it's worth a try. Alright. We're going to take a short intermission from wiring this real quick. Oh.
It'll be dead, it doesn't matter.
Will it?
Oh shit.
First start. Oh, we got fuel leak, bud. Cut her off. Cut her off.
Where's that?
What do you mean, where's it at? It's everywhere. God dang.
Oh, hey, you know what?
From like in here.
I bet that's not even tight.
Well, I mean, probably not. But... Nope.
We can cut that out.
No. I need filler material.
Gotta reach 10 minutes.
Push the clutch.
Hit read again. Says it's down.
Yeah, it says down.
Let off. Hit read.
Oh, so it's functioning properly.
I just can't clutch kick this motherfucker.
Well, we'll tack her in place.
Man.
When the time comes, we can do it.
When the time comes, we just pull the pedals out where it need to be, and I'll actually weld it.
Yeah. But for the time being, it should pop and bang, and it should no lift for at least a few until it loosens up again. All right. We got a bunch of wiring going on. It's really loosely done just for mock-up, just to see if this is actually going to work. And I guess after we test it and verify it does work, we'll run you through and show you what wire went where, what we done with all that, and then we'll tidy this up and go from there.
So WOT flashes, push clutch in, stops flashing, starts flashing.
Yeah.
Clutch out. 4500 is good enough for now.
Let's go ahead and plug old scavenge pump back in and get some temp built up in this thing. Let's hope these hood struts hold. Alright y'all, we got this thing logging on HP just to see what it's doing and whatnot. We got it set to what, 2500? This will be the first one. Sounds good. How much boost it built? None?
It was starting to.
It fucking was chooching up there. No flames though.
Straight for the.
Alright.
Straight for gold.
Alright. Nothing.
That's only 3 pounds. That's only 2 pounds.
Not even a little spark. This might be a little hot. Dang. Not even one. But she was starting to do something. Hey y'all, the WOT box seems to be functioning the way it's supposed to be functioning, so would you like to explain what wires go where for the people that would like to do this in the future?
I don't know what prompt is.
Your prompts?
It's all written on my phone. It's gone.
First off, you've done this without even...
Huh?
You've done this without even looking at a prompt, basically.
Yeah, I know. So, the yellow wire to the WOT box goes to the black and pink wire. And I'm pretty sure it's a connector E, and it's pin 34. That's your crank position sensor. And then the blue wire goes to a WOT wire, which is 17T on this connector, and that is your drive-by wire.
So you didn't have to go to the throttle body at all? Cool. And then there's a green one.
The green one goes to your clutch switch or whatever you want to use to activate everything.
Okay. Then you got a ground, and you can ground that basically wherever. And you got two other wires. Are they actually that same color in the harness factory?
Mm-hmm. They're red and black. Red and black.
Okay, so you got the two red and blacks that come in. And personally, for our application here, we had to tap into the ignition coils in the fuse box here.
Which will be the same on any 05 plus Crown Vic.
Okay. And what was that? It's like a red and green? Red and blue? What is this? I can't see this damn thing. Kind of looks like a red and green, maybe pink and green. I don't know, but it's this 15 amp fuse right here.
It's the coil pack fuse.
Coil pack fuse. And basically you got the two wires, so you're just going to cut that one wire in half. One side of that red wire is going to go to one side of it, and then the other wire is going to go to the other side of it, so it kind of loops through the WOT box itself, and that is what will cut spark. Correct.
Yes.
All right.
Jet fuel does not mount steel beams.
It's all
Bush did 9/11.
She just a one hitter and quitter, boy.
I don't know what's wrong.
Good old no lift.
It ain't fucking happy, but she shoots flames.
Whack!
My God. I know y'all can't see me, but I'm in the floor.
I look over, all I see is a camera. I know. I look behind me, and all I saw was.
That's like one of them moments when you fall, but you don't spill your beer.
Can't spill the beer.
I was in the floorboard, camera still stayed kind of where it was. Alright y'all, I'm at the house and I'm currently trying to edit this video here. As you can see, I got the SD card out so you cannot see the actual files, but I just wanted to show you something real quick. In them last clips that you would have seen, if you paid attention, the air fuels would have been all over the place. So what had actually happened there was we blew an intercooler piping off, and it just skewed all the readings on that. We figured that out after the video. I apparently didn't get that on camera, so I'm going to end this video off here with this clip. I did want to mention this as well. This is a very crude diagram of what we got going on here, but what is going on with the two-step is when you hit the clutch, it rotates this mechanism, and when you're completely off the clutch, it rests on this sensor, and when you press the clutch, just even by a hair, it comes up off the sensor, which activates the two-step. So anytime you even breathe on the clutch, it's activating the two-step, and that's just a no-go for us. So we ordered a micro switch so we can hook the two-step up on that micro switch on the side here. So you at least have to press the pedal down at least like halfway or so, however we design it, before it will activate that. So that'll help us out a lot. Nothing against the clutch pedal design. It does great for what it was intended for, but for the actual two-step we need something a little bit different. So we have that ordered. We'll probably revisit this video once we get that installed and retry it. But other than that, I want to show you one more thing. Looking here at the analytics, we got a couple lingerers going on, guys. We got 83.9% of y'all not subscribed that watch the videos. Only 16 of y'all are subscribed. So let's change that number, at least see if we can. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end this video off here. I hope you liked it. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you want to see some more. Get the bell on. Let us know what else you'd like to see with the Vic or any of the vehicles in the fleet. You know, the van, the IS300, Logan's S10. We got Levi's Turbo 3 valve. We got the Colorado. We got all kinds of stuff. So just let us know. Put it down in the comments. I like interacting with y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end this video off here. So until next time, peace.